Here's how fudge puppies are made. First, preheat a seasoned 5044 Waffle Dog baker. Then, fill each of the 5 cavities with the Belgian waffle mix. Now, quickly place 5 skewers in position. Give them a half turn. Close the lid, roll the baker grids over, and set your timer to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the bell rings, rotate the waffles back to the original position and remove the waffles from the grid. Once removed, let them cool. In some cases, you may need to cut them apart. While they're cooling, you should have melted the 5519 chocolate cookie dip in a double warmer. Do not overheat. You need enough chocolate that's deep enough to completely dip the waffle on the stick. Once the cooked waffles have cooled, dip them in the chocolate. Let the excess chocolate dip drip or spin off. At this point, you can add nuts or sprinkles to the product as desired. Then allow the product to cool to harden. Once hardened, you can add either confectioner's sugar or whipped cream.